Okay, let's start this driving journey. I'm here at Hunter Road in the Hamilton and I'm going towards the William Drive. So let's start it. Okay, so nobody's coming behind, so I checked all the blind spot and the mirrors. And then I'm turning left from this junction, so I'll slow down early. And from my right, nobody's coming, so it's okay to proceed. So there is two alternate way. If I go straight, I have to stop there and check for the traffic, so it's better for me. I'll go left from here. So whenever you are familiar to the road, uh, it's always better if you use the easier way. If there is no alternate, then you can use the difficult way, but I'm turning right from here. So there are parked vehicles, so I need to be careful that there might be the oncoming traffic, so I may need to give a way to them or they will stop for me. So it's like a mutual understanding between two drivers. So nobody's coming from here, so I can enter the roundabout. I'm taking this exit. So there are two alternate roads, and now I'm gonna use first exit from the roundabout because there is a roadworks going on. If I take a second exit and go ahead, there is a major roadworks going on, so it will delay the journey. So I'm gonna use this one. So the speed limit here is 30, so nobody's crossing in the zebra crossing, so it's okay. So next zebra crossing, nobody's crossing, so it's safe to go. If some people are willing to cross the zebra crossing, then you need to stop by law. So from here I'll turn right. So right mirror, center mirror, signal right, and then I'll be here at the turning point. So I need to be sure that nobody is coming, so don't just blindly follow the car ahead because there might be only gap for one car, and you have to make sure that you see everything before you proceed. So I'm turning right from here again. So the distance remaining is 1.7 miles and the estimated time is 5 minutes to go there. Oh, you can see the rainbow. It's such a lovely day to travel. It's just such a lovely rainbow. So I'm taking a first exit here. So I'll signal and position myself in the left lane. I'll see that vehicle. Okay, somebody's crossing, so it's safe to go. So there is a roundabout ahead, and I'll be taking the second exit. And before there is a traffic signal just over this bend, just after the bend. So the signal is green. So oh, it's amber, but I could still cross before it turns red. So I'm taking exit from here. So the car is giving away. I'll thank him. So whenever there is a parked car in your side, that is your responsibility to give away to the oncoming traffic. So if somebody is coming here, I could maybe stay behind this car and give away. So there is a mini roundabout. I'm going straight, but still I need to check from the right if somebody is coming. So no one is coming. So from Junction ahead, I'll be taking a right turn. So I'll check the right mirror, center mirror, then signal right, and then stay in the right lane. As you can see, there is an arrow printed in the road also for the right turn. Okay, so vehicle has already started going, so I'll follow. So from here I'll be taking a left, so left mirror, center mirror, left side, and then slow down and the turn. So from ahead I'll be turning right, and I've reached my destination here. So see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.